been pretty lucky. So let's get into it. So yeah, good morning guys. Craig with Thirsty's Lawn Care. Enough with the intros on the channel. I don't think it's needed, so we're just gonna get right into the content. I just got a new GoPro Hero 8, hoping that will help me bring out better content, especially come spring. And I got a few attachments, like something to put right on the windshield here so you can see me better and my camera doesn't fall and you don't get bored. So anyways, let's keep it going here. We got about 2 centimeters of snow yesterday, and then we got about 1.5 centimeters overnight the next night. So that's what is not fun about snow, I find. I think I don't have the mindset for snow as much as I sometimes talk about, because it gets a little bit stressful. Because you think, should I be going out? I haven't been out in like 3 or 4 weeks, and people pay me for the whole season, and I just get a little concerned that people are like, well, why did I pay for service if they don't come? Well, like in my wording, it says I come out with 5 centimeters, or the accumulation of 5 centimeters over a few days. I will come clear. So I know we're still under the 5 centimeters with these 2 little snowfalls, but I still, in my head, people don't know what 5 centimeters are, or 2 inches. So it gets in my head a little bit. Of the customer is probably like, is he coming, is he not? I know I always speak in my videos about keeping communication open, but I don't feel like sending an email and explaining every single time, because it just makes me look like maybe I'm just trying to avoid coming. So I just try to only email the bulk list of snow customers when it is relevant. When I'm coming, or when it's like right around 4 centimeters to 5 centimeters, I might email. But I find I will go out with 4 centimeters to clear, because some parts of town may have 5 centimeters, and it may upset some customers. So kind of on that cusp right now. Yesterday it all melted, so I think so I'm a little paranoid for no reason today. But anyways, I'm just gonna go check a couple, then I'm on my way to meet a friend to go for a run. I've been running for the last 3 to 4 months, and we have a stay-at-home order, so it's even more important to just keep active and make sure that I keep myself in the right mindset. So I'm just checking a couple of the customers that it may not have melted yesterday for. Yeah, so I hope everybody's doing great. I've put up a lot of videos on my channel, and maybe it's been all over the map, and some get some views and some don't, and I'm learning the logistics of which ones are maybe more interesting and which ones flop. So I'm really looking forward to the spring, like I mentioned a few minutes ago, about getting some live action lawn cutting videos. I do a lot of properties, so I can get a lot of cutting videos. I can do some videos with hedge trimming. I can do videos with spring and fall cleanups. I have good equipment. I have a good lawn care setup. So let's make sure I bring a good content out to you guys. And enough, like I said, with the intros, enough with not just getting right to the point. We're here to entertain you. We're here to keep you returning as a subscriber, and I want to get my word out in a simple form as possible, and then provide you with some entertainment. So I think that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna go and check a couple laneways. I measure them with a little height meter that I got at the GIE in 2019. It was a right height little steel plate that goes up to 5 inches, and I use that to go measure on driveways when I'm not sure. So thank you again to Wright. Funny little things you can pick up at a trade show and use. I'm just waving to a guy that's out driving around. He does a little bit of snow. He's probably checking driveways as well. Anyways, guys, I think that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the end screen video and check out more videos that I know that you will enjoy. Till next time, guys, talk to you later.